Welcome to Market Boost. In this video, I'll share the top 5 AI-powered strategies to boost your affiliate marketing success. These tips are simple, effective, and perfect for anyone looking to grow their income. Let's dive in. 1. Analyze your target audience. Understanding your audience is the first step to success. Use tools like Google Analytics or Facebook Insights to gather data about your audience, such as age, interests, and the best times to post. This will help you create content that resonates with them. 2. Create engaging content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can help you write product descriptions, blog posts, or social media captions that grab attention and drive clicks. 3. Optimize paid ads. Make your ads smarter with tools like AdEspresso. They analyze your ad campaigns and suggest ways to target the right audience while maximizing your budget. 4. Leverage email marketing. Email is still one of the most powerful tools in marketing. Platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact make it easy to create personalized email campaigns that keep your audience engaged and encourage them to take action. 5. Track and improve performance. Finally, track your efforts using tools like Hotjar or HubSpot. These tools provide insights into how users interact with your website or landing pages, allowing you to improve user experience and boost conversions. If you found these strategies helpful, make sure to subscribe to Market Boost for more marketing tips and tricks. Let's grow together and achieve amazing results in affiliate marketing. Comment below your favorite AI tool or share your experience with affiliate marketing.